How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's looking at IBIO. Great day for this one, kind of a wild one actually. Right now up 32 cents, 7%. Hit a low down there of $4.10 pre-market today, and then got a whole $1.10 right there at 5.20 will be the high, and we couldn't break it just at the bell at 5.12, and then hit a huge sell-off, and now we're seeing the buyback. We did kind of double bottom right here at 4.40, so that would be our first support resistance. My bad. VWAP was support all day, but now turned into resistance right there at $4.80, as well as, well, VWAP obviously will move as the price does, but that 480 will always be resistance. And who knows if we can break above pre-market after hours today. Yeah, it could be support. Look at all these lines. I promise you guys, I've been saying that we need to clean up this chart for a while now, and I'll get on that next video. But we had a right yesterday or 2 days ago, we had the bottom right there at $4, and then today was 4.10. We couldn't break out of that 5.20 level, so that's why I think that's why we sold off. So if tomorrow, or yeah, tomorrow's Friday, so even if next week, if we don't break that 5.20 level, a lot of traders are gonna be like, okay, this chart's done for a while. So that 5.20 is like the most key resistance to break, and then as well as 5.50, $6, and then eventually work our way back up to $7.85. It had great volume. Volume has been dying off actually, but obviously you can't really count that couple of Mondays ago's volume. It's just unbelievable how much share size is. People are taking a lot. Remember, guys, when you guys have lot, don't trade. Okay, I'll tell you this. My strategy is always buy when there's volume, and when there's no volume, there's no trade. So I only look for volume, and so do many other people. But today we had 28 million shares, which is actually 40 million short of the 10-day average. So, like I said, that 5.20 level, it will be key resistance to break. If we cannot break it, this chart may not look the bullish as it could have been if it breaks it, if that understanding. No news on it today, but it was featured in a couple articles. Like always, this stock if you guys don't know, IBIO is a COVID stock, and when they release news, man, oof. Right here, this big run up with all COVID news, 785, and then crashing down as Moderna and other companies, and now KODK is announcing that they're helping all with their vaccines and other drugs. So it's a lot of we have in this huge downtrend. We can actually draw the line to the downtrend right here at 659, and double top right here at 525 for the day. So if it can't break out of this slope, then again, like I said, the chart won't look that bullish. But at the same time, it's about what type of trader are you, and what's your strategy. Are you a technical trader, or are you just a breakout trader? So remember, guys, plan your own trades and trade your own plan. But that was IBIO. A little recap here. Good support at 440, 450. VWAP is not on our side with their 480. And as that move, 480 will also be resistance. It's trying to bounce back here. We'll have to see if it can. We'll go to the 5-day, 5-minute chart, so we get 5-minute candles. More resistance at 512 and the 525. Like I said, that breakout. Can we get above VWAP? We had a great day of 32 cents, 7%. Not bad. IBIO. Thank you guys for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. We're almost at 1,700 subscribers. It means the world. Can we get it by the end of the month? Only a couple days. See if we can get it, guys. Definitely leave your questions, comments, opinions, drop down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. That was IBIO.